Okay, so today I'm going to change the regular headlight bulbs to LED headlight bulbs in the Promaster. Okay, so today I'm changing the Promaster headlights to an LED headlight, and all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, 10 millimeter socket and wrench, and then high temperature RTV silicone. Okay. So you've got 3 screws here on the outside that need to come out. All right, so then this piece needs to come out and this piece needs to come out. This just pops out, you slide it under here. And then this bottom piece, actually, you don't pull it, you actually just pop it out the side. And the reason is, the clips actually just slide in here. Then you have 1, 2, and 3 bolts that need to come out. All of the bolts and the screws are taken out, so we'll go ahead and just pull this towards you. It pops right out. And this connector right here is just a push pin. Whew, that was easy. It's out, it's ready to be worked on. All right, let's go. So we have this on the table now. We've got the LED lights here ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this back cover. You just untwist it, pop it off. All right, so inside here, you actually have to pop this piece down, and then you can pull
down hard.
So you pop that piece down, and then you can pull the connector out. What do I do now? All right, now that the bulb is out, go ahead, it's disconnected, and we are ready to install the connectors for the LED lights. So this specific LED light, which the link will be down below, it actually comes with a connector. You just twist off, pops out, and you want to make sure that however you put it in is how the headlight is going to go in. So the flat piece will go in first. Okay, so we've determined which side needs to go in first. So now you have your high temp RTV. Go ahead and put it around here. The one good thing is, if you're holding it with your fingers on the outside, you can get this all over yourself. If you have your finger straight through, it's easier. You don't get it all over the place. Now you have a solid bead around. In here, there's a lip that this bottom piece needs to go onto. So you slide it in. All right. You want to wiggle it a little bit, make sure that it is snug in there and that the RTV is covering, making it a good seal. Now we're done. For now, we go let it dry, and then we'll be ready to install the LED shortly. Okay, so we went ahead and let the silicone dry completely, so it's been about 2 hours. And now we're going to go ahead and install the headlights. So the headlight, when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that the LED lights are both on the side instead of up and down. When you install it, oh, I over twisted it. Okay, so now they're installed, and you want to go ahead and take this plug right back to where the other headlights would plug in. And your headlights are now installed and ready to go. Twist this back on. All right, twist this back on, and we'll go ahead and go back to the vehicle and reinstall. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll snap this back into place. Okay. All right, so we've got this back in place. Go ahead and grab our bolts. Remember, you've got one here. Got one down here and one over here. Alright, when you're reinstalling this, don't forget that when you put it on, it clips in on the side and it does not get pushed in this way. Last piece clips in here, and your two screws that go here. And once you've tightened down all the screws, you now have a new LED headlight, and it's just that easy. All right, guys, good luck.